Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. With smart vacuuming and mopping, Robomann Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner can thoroughly clean dust, hair, pet hair, debris, footprint, mud. Also with Zigzag Edge Focus 3 clean modes and 2000 paw strong suction. Robotic Vacuum and Mop Cleaner are dedicated to clean wood, parquet, tile, laminate floor or floor with short middle carpets, offering your family a clean and comfortable home. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Suction Boost Technology. Robot Vacuum Cleaner could boost its vacuum power to provide more powerful focus cleaning to meet your special cleaning needs. Number 2. No stuck for climbing carpet. This vacuum robot can move freely between the normal hard floor and the low or middle pile carpet and clean them without stuck. Number 3. Auto return and self-charging. If the battery is lower than 20%, the robot vacuum cleaner will automatically return to the charging station and charge itself. Number 4. Anti-collision and anti-drop. The sweeping robot is equipped with an intelligent sensor, which can protect your pets and furniture, also prevent falling from stairs. Number 5. 120 minutes continuous runtime. Built-in 2600 mAh battery. Available for 120 minutes continuous cleaning, especially for large room cleaning. Number 6. 600 ml dustbin plus 400 ml water tank. Comes with both larger dust box and larger water tank. Robomann Robot Vacuum Cleaner is dedicated to cleaning larger rooms. Number 7. Vacuuming and mopping. Comes with both larger dust box 600 ml and larger water tank 400 ml. 2000 paw strong suction. Robomann X9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner is dedicated to thoroughly clean pet hair, debris and dirt. Number 8. Daily schedule cleaning. No matter you are working, walking, running or traveling, Robomann X9 Vacuum and Mop Cleaner will automatically clean your house and offer you a clean and comfortable home at all times. Number 9. Smart mopping technology. X9 Robomann is equipped with a smart electrical water tank. Watering speed can be controlled from app. Also automatically stop watering during staying temporarily or charging on the base. Not only protecting your home floor but also ensuring safety during charging. Number 10. App cleaning monitoring. Adopting upgraded gyro navigation technology. With 3 cleaning modes: Zigzag, Edge, Focus, Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner will meet your various cleaning needs. Meanwhile, cleaning status could be monitored in real time from app to know which areas have been cleaned, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does the black one have a warranty and for how long? Answer: 365 days. Question number 2. What can one do if customer service never responds to a problem with the device? Answer: the bottom of the robot has the contact information of our company. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.